Hey guys, it's me, Riley.
And me, Sophia, and I've never been on this channel before.
And it's 3 a.m.
Yeah.
And we're making 3 a.m. slime glow in the dark.
Yeah. So.
And I'm so scared.
Oh, I'm not making one, but
because it's 3 a.m. and it's slime, and I hope nothing bad will happen.
Yeah.
And like, there's a lot of emotions going into me. We've watched a lot of
scary things happening
in this. You know, I'm so scared.
So
are we gonna add like confetti?
It's a challenge.
Are we gonna add confetti into this?
I don't care.
Should we?
No. So I'm just not even like kind of barely scared because I know nothing's gonna happen.
But this street is like haunted. Did you know that?
It is. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And none of this is being made up. Oh, why am I adding that? Oh wait, what am I doing?
And actually, we're home alone.
Yeah, we're home alone. So something's gonna happen.
Nothing. It's
I want to add glitter into this soda.
But and how
should I add glitter into this?
Proof. How do you have proof that it's a haunted?
Because Daily Bumps did this and something bad happened.
Yeah, they did in California. But
the street's haunted and it's Friday the 13th, December.
I know.
So that's always haunted because you'll get haunted for life. A lot of you people suggested doing this, and
yeah, we're scared, and we're gonna post it on YouTube.
We're gonna do a slime tour after we do.
Yeah, okay. I think we should go wake up her parents, like right now.
Wake up my parents.
Yeah.
We're home alone.
Oh yeah.
Her parents don't let her home alone. My parents.
I hate being home alone.
So she thinks our parents are upstairs. Oh, this is starting. I have to eat in my slime.
We need background music or something.
Sophia.
So scary.
Me too. It's 3 a.m. And it's so dark outside.
I know.
I'm going to be back. I have to use the bathroom.
Okay.
And I'm going to see if this glows.
Okay. Guys, I want to be alone. I don't want to be alone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Riley? Oh my goodness. Riley! Where are you? The lights just flickered.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I was so scared.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this
video.